Explaining data types in JavaScript. In JavaScript, data types defines the type of value that a variable can hold. There are two main categories of data types in JavaScript. First, primitive data type. Second, reference or complex data types. Let's dive into each category and explore the specific types in JavaScript. First, primitive data types. Primitive types are the most basic types in JavaScript. They represent single values and are immutable, that is, cannot be changed after creation. Uh, Number represents both integer and floating point numbers. Example: string represents a sequence of characters enclosed in a single, double, or backticks. Boolean represents a logical value, either true or false. Example: undefined, a variable that is declared but not assigned a value, will have the value undefined. Example: null represents the intentional absence of any object value. It's an empty or null reference. Example: symbol, a unique and immutable primitive value used as identifier for object properties. Symbols are often used in advanced scenarios for unique keys in objects. Example: big int, used to represent integers larger than number type can handle. Example: second, reference data type. Reference data types are more complex and can store multiple values. Unlike primitive types, they are mutable. When a reference type is assigned to a new variable, it does not copy the value but rather than the reference of the original value. Object, an unaltered collection of key value pairs. The keys can be string and the values can be any data type. This is the example. Array, a special type of object used to store ordered collection of values which can be of any data type. Example: function. Function are also objects in JavaScript and they represent blocks of reusable code. This is example. Data type. Date represents dates and time. JavaScript provides the date object to work with dates and times. Example: regular reg expression, that is regular expression, a pattern used to match character combination in strings. Example: key difference between primitive and reference types. Storage, primitive values are stored directly while reference values are stored by reference. Immutability, primitive values are immutable whereas reference types are mutable. Copying, when you assign one primitive value to another variable, it copies the value. For reference type, assignment copies the reference, not the actual value. Example: summary of JavaScript data types, primitive types: number, string, boolean, undefined, null, symbol, begin. Reference type in non-primitive data types are object, array, function, date, regular expression. Understanding this type helps you manage data and memory efficiently when working with JavaScript and also avoid common pitfalls such as accidental mutation or reference types or type variations between primitive types. Thanks for watching.